It started as scratching, faint, at night, just above my ceiling. I figured it was rats, maybe raccoons. I live in an old house. Things settle, but it got worse. The sounds grew louder, movement, footsteps, like someone dragging themselves across the attic floor. I went up there, flashlight in hand, found nothing, no droppings, no entry points, just dust and darkness. Then I noticed things going missing. Small stuff, snacks, batteries, my old hoodie. I thought I was just misplacing them, until I found the hoodie again, folded neatly at the base of the attic stairs. I set up a baby monitor, pointed it at the entrance. The next night, at 3:12 a.m., I heard it through the speaker, slow footsteps. Then, whispering, not words, just sounds, like someone trying to speak, but forgetting how. I went up, slowly, quietly. In the far corner, behind an old armoire, I found it, a small mattress, empty food wrappers, a cracked mirror, and written in dust on the glass, "Thank you for letting me stay. I haven't been able to sleep since. I don't go up there anymore. But some nights, I hear the whispering again. And last night, taped to my bedroom door, was a note. Can I come down now?